Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best upside discount promo codes. So step 1 is just open a Chrome browser or any other browser in your mobile phone or PC or laptop and go to the search bar or Google and search here the website, which is coupon follow. And once you write down coupon follow, so you will see this website couponfollow.com. Simply go to this website couponfollow.com, and on the right side you will see some search bar, search for a store. So inside this section just click it and write down here upside and press enter. And once you press enter, as you can see, this like these are the upside coupon codes, or you can say the promo codes. So the rating is 4.5, which means the codes are working for sure. Like some might not be working, but majority of them will be working. Now these are the top using upside promo codes for September 13, 2025. As you can see, today is 14:10 in the morning, and these codes are updated for September 13. So today's code might be updated like in a few hours. So as you can see, like just click on show coupon code and you will be able to get the coupon code. These coupon codes are updated daily according to the date. These are fresh, so you can see the benefits as well. Say with code exclusive $10 off. So you can just click on the show coupon code, and once you click it, enjoy $0.25 off per gallon on first purchase. So you will see the coupon code, simply copy it, and you can see just click on the website as well, redeem at upside, and you can just simply go and redeem and buy whatever you want to buy. So this is a simple and easy method of how you can get these codes.